Hey guys, this is Dave from Search Hustle, and in this video we're going to be going over setting up your site ID. For the site ID, we're going to be in our WordPress dashboard. We're going to go down here to the Appearance menu, and we're going to click on the Customize link. This is going to bring up our home page and then the customization menu on the left sidebar. For the site ID, we're going to go to the header section, and then we're going to click on Site ID. This will bring up your site logo, and then towards the bottom is where we'll see the site ID. It's already been set for Search Hustle, and typically if it's not been set, it will just be blank where you see this S here. And all you have to do is change image, and you can upload a custom image. I went ahead and prepared a new one just for today. And I'm going to skip cropping on this because, as you can see, it's going outside that square a little bit. And if you can't adjust this to stretch it out to cover the whole image, just hit skip cropping. And there it is. It's set up. And when you're satisfied with that, or if you need to modify it and make it more of a square shape to have it fit perfectly in there, you can do that. But when you're happy with it, just hit publish, and that's going to show up right here in this top tab for you when someone is visiting your website.